on. I'm just
This
as
is
pretty.
Madison at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford.
So pretty.
Madison's been having a great time playing with this girl.
Oh, you're pretty. They're waving behind you. I know.
Now that she's on camera, she's being a little shy about playing, huh?
Reagan, did you have little babies? Did you have kitties? Did you have kitties? Oh,
What's that, Raven?
your babies.
What's that? What's that toy?
Sister.
This one reminds me of
Oh, that's fun, huh?
Chloe. Oh, you took a baby.
That looks like a pretty lazy way to be playing compared to the way you were playing before. There you go. You like playing with the kids, don't you?
Hi, babies. Hi, babies.
Where did it go, Madison?
Hello.
There it is.
You poor thing. Yeah.
You would like to have this girl take you home, wouldn't you? Get
Where
to
are
play a lot. Whoops.
Nobody's gonna touch you.
Like this does. Oh, you like this touch.
Good for you, Madison.
You're safe, yes. Little mountain lion.
Madison is living in a colony room with other cats and seems to enjoy the company of other cats. Obviously likes children.
Oh, he likes playing with Kara. Ah.
Ooh,
Oh,
good girl.
pretty baby.
Gorgeous eyes.
Let's have the prettiest eyes.
Have fun, Madison.